In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can activate a evolution card here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up Clash Royale, and obviously this is going to work on any device, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or of course PC as well. But essentially, open this up and you're going to be on the battle screen. From here, go over to the cards or collection tab on the left-hand side, and it's going to show you your current battle deck and all the cards that you have unlocked. If you don't, see the card that you want to upgrade in your deck, switch to the full collection view just like so, or you could just tap on your deck like you're going to edit it, and you're going to see the card collection appear. Now find whatever card you want to upgrade or evolve, and essentially once you go ahead and find it, and we're pretending that we're going to do Bomber for this, right? Simply go ahead and, select it and go to the little upgrade screen. From here, you're going to see a little like upgrade option, and obviously if you have enough cards and coins to do this, and of course the card will level up. But on top of that, what you can do is go to the evolution tab as well, and if you have 6 shards for that specific card, you'll be able to unlock and activate the evo for that card as well. Just keep in mind you will have to take that card and drag it into one of the 2 evo slots up at the very top. It really is as simple as that though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on though. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.